guys, so today we are doing a keto chas. First, I'm going to take Greek yogurt, natural and sweetened. That's about 2 tablespoons. There you go. Next, I'm going to add some rock salt to it. We have some salt. There you go. Next, I'm going to add half a glass water. Then I have some chopped basil. You can also add mint leaves if you want. Lastly, I'm going to add some roasted cumin seed powder. That's cumin seed powder. There you go. And some ice to it. So we're going to take a blender and just whip the same. So your delicious keto chas is ready. There you go.